Start by brushing the hair back. Using a wide tooth comb, reference the tip of your nose as a guide to find your center part. Part the hair from the center of the forehead to the apex. The apex is the highest point on the head. This is where you see a dramatic difference in shape from the front of the head to the back. The apex is a great reference point when sectioning hair. Move the comb in a downward fashion from the apex to the nape of the neck. When doing this on your own head, you have to feel the part line to make sure it's clean, meaning no hair is crossing over from the other side. It's okay if some sections are uneven, as long as your part line is clean. Comb and clip away the section that you're not putting into quadrants right away. Spruce up any part lines as needed as you go. You should have a nice part line from the forehead to the nape of the neck. In order to section the first quadrant, we must part the hair near the ear. Your hair should be split where your hairline starts to move down your neck. Start at the apex. Twist the hair, then wrap it around itself. Be careful not to pull too tight. Leave a little bit of loose hair at the end. This shouldn't be longer than a couple of inches, or else it can get caught in another section. Sectioning the quadrants so that the front quadrant ends before the hairline starts to move downward will make the application easier. This area is different on everyone. Don't expect your hairline to be the exact same as this mannequin. This is my favorite method of sectioning. Using a small section from the back of the bottom, go under, over, under. I'll do this again so that you can see. I prefer to loop the end before clipping so that the ends will not be in the way of the other quadrant on the other side. We're going to reference the apex to find our other part to use it as a guide. Again, we're going to section behind the ear. You will now be able to section the back right quadrant and the front right quadrant. The purpose of this next form of clipping is to demonstrate why it's not productive. The problem you're going to face is the open end of the clip. You can see a gap that is going to allow hair to flow out of the clip. This can pose problems and slow down your application process. If we turn the clip so that it faces away from the back section, as well as move it closer to the scalp, it will be a little bit better, but it can still pose problems. Adding a clip facing the opposite direction can help. However, this is just going to use more clips, so it's not really beneficial. We're going to braid this section. If you have natural hair, you can do the twist method. We're going to bring the bottom up to the top of the braid and clip. For the last quadrant, I'm going to demonstrate how to section the working section. The working section refers to a section where the paste is going to be applied to. This video won't be demonstrating the actual application. We're going to section it similar to the back left quadrant. Twist the hair at the base of the section. You can see the difference in the back left quadrant and the back right quadrant. We're now going to clip the hair. Do not worry about the loose hair at the ends. This makes it easy to clip as many times as needed while you're applying your paste to the working section. Now you can see all of the quadrants. Again, this is my favorite method. It's sleek, it's out of the way, and it's comfortable. Let's see what sections survive the shake test. It may seem silly, but you want sections that survive bending over to pick something off the floor, combing other sections, mixing up more paste, etc. The front right quadrant didn't do so well, neither did the back right quadrant. The back left quadrant stayed in the best. The front left quadrant stayed in pretty good, with the exception of some loose hair near the part line. Clips work much better than ponytail holders. So with ponytail holders, you have to constantly put it in, take it out. The elastic band will slow you down and flyaways will start to get stuck in other sections. This can be really annoying and really frustrating. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit hennaforhair.com and mahandi.com.